guys, welcome to my unboxing of the taxton CBT3 cube, which I got today evening. I'm going to unbox it. So let's get started. So let's get it open. Okay. Here's the first glimpse of the cube. So here's the bill. I got for 299 rupees. It was delivered today evening only. So it is a nice way to sneak into the cube. Here's the cube, taxton. Here's the company taxton T3 speed cube. So, it's a very vibrant color. It pieces consists of two more colors. Every piece is made of three colors. See. Oh, it's nice. So it is taxton CBT3. That's all for the unboxing. Meet you in the next time.